pretty much, I've just always been thinking, man must make money. There has to be a way. Many more ways to make money. In the quest of that, certain things started occurring to me. Then I started saying that, look, we've been looking at all the wrong places for money. I discovered from research and certain studies that piggery, keeping pigs, it can be very profitable if you do the right things. I did the maths, it makes sense, it works for me. I jumped on and I've never really looked back. When you do the maths, you realize that considering the effort you put into it, the returns is higher. You look at an input of about 30%, the output, the profit is 70%. Good business. That's how I got into it. And on top of that, it's good exercise for me every morning. I keep the animals myself, I take care of them myself. It's good exercise for me. One thing I can say is that as much as this thing can be very profitable and progressive, it's a venture you need to make time for and pay particular attention to yourself. So long as you do that, you know the ins and outs, you don't get cheated, and you smile all the way to the bank. Some pig farmers will say, take care of me and I'll take care of you, smiling all the way to the bank. So I mean, as you can see, I am pretty much comfortable. I have a nice house, I have a nice car, I do good business. But at the end of the day, this is also good. Why not? There can never be too much money. You know what I mean? Multiple streams of income, everyone likes. So you can be making all that money, you can be working on the regular, but keep a pig farm. And that is also a very, very good and decent stream of income as well. So I'm comfortable, but yes, why not? It works. I'll pretty much encourage everyone who has the passion, who has the time, who has the space to take on pig farming. It can be useful, it can be profitable. If you can't make the time for it, form cooperatives, come together as friends, make an arrangement to keep pigs. They can be very profitable. I insist, profitable. Hi, my name is Ray. I run a small farm, Bushman farms. I raise pigs and other livestock. Call me sometime if you need an advice on how to start your own small farm or you want to buy some pigs. Call me. My numbers are on the screen.